wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rafli Dwi Anggara and my friends.
Ariel S. Hawit.
Today we want to discussing a group project. Hi Ariel, how are you today?
Hi Rafli, I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. By the way, have you started a group project?
Not yet. Can you remind me what the topic is?
It's about renewable energy source. We have to make a short presentation.
Alright, thanks for reminding me. So what do you think we should include?
I think we can start with the definition, then talk about the advantage and disadvantage.
That's a good idea. Maybe we can add some picture or that to make it more interesting.
Exactly, that will help the audience understand better.
By the way, could you explain the difference between solar and wind energy again?
Sure, solar energy comes from sunlight, while wind energy comes from moving air.
Oh, I see. Thanks for explaining.
What do you think if we divided the task?
Sound good. I can do the part about solar energy.
Great, I'll work on wind energy then.
Okay, let's meet again tomorrow to practice our presentation.
Sure, what time?
How about 3 p.m. in the library?
That's fine. See you tomorrow then.
See you. Good luck with you part.